Hello, everyone. It's Courtney Rogers here, owner and director of the Little Miss Louisiana Beauty Pageant. We are officially 1 week away from the pageant. So today's Saturday, next Saturday is the pageant. So I'm super excited about that, and I hope each and every one of you are excited as well. I'm making today's video to give you guys some pageant tips in relation to your personal introduction competition. So this is for ages 7 and up, so our Little Miss contestants. The personal introduction competition counts for 20% of your final pageant score, and you will do your personal introduction on stage in front of the judges. And so my first tip is that you practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice. Okay, the second tip is that you get creative. Make it interesting, make it funny, make it something, add something to it that the judges will have to remember that will make you stand out from all the other contestants, okay? Tip number 3, when you finally have it all together, make sure you type it out, make sure you write it out, and then just have that paper copy that you can just read over every day this week as you prepare for the pageant. Read over it, look at it over and over again, and again, back to tip number 1, practice, practice, practice. So that was 3 tips for the personal introduction competition. Number 1, make sure you practice, practice, practice. 2, get creative. And 3, make sure you write it down, type it out, go over it every single day of this week. Bring it with you on pageant day, okay? So next, I am going to give you an example of a personal introduction. So this was my personal introduction years ago. I'm going to take some of it out to make it shorter for your age group, but here is an example of a personal introduction that will wow the judges, okay? Attention, boys and girls. Attention, boys and girls. It's time to go over last night's homework assignment. Yes, that's right. Coming to the halls of an elementary school near you, I am Courtney Marie Rogers, your contestant number 4. As a resident of Zachary, Louisiana, I have a passion for learning and the educational process. So, looking forward to teaching the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s to the young and the restless. I'm your contestant number 4, Courtney Rogers. So as you see, that was short and simple. 30 seconds, I was able to get out my name, my hometown, my future ambition. I also added my contestant number in there, which is always a great thing. And so I just encourage you again to use those 3 tips that I gave you. Practice, be creative, and also write it down. If you have any questions about the personal introduction competition, feel free to email me, and see you guys Saturday.